Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away. Fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
What is up, YouTube? I know I've been AFK, haven't done any product reviews or fishing or anything in that nature, but Baitsanity Tug, I'll tell you guys what, this swim bait has really drawn my attention to actually get out of my comfort zone, my laziness. Get on a video, get out and do some fishing and show you guys what the Baitsanity Tug is all about. Now, a lot of you guys know I swim bait fish the Colorado River for striped bass. It's a very unique river. It's hard to swim bait fish in, and like swim bait's got to be specific because we do have somewhat of a high current, low current. It changes periodically, so you really got to find that swim bait that's gonna be universal for those types of waters. Now, I know a lot of people do like swim bait fishing on lakes, calmed rivers, ponds and stuff like that, but when it comes down to the Colorado River, I got to tell you right now, you have to have a universal bait or you have to bring multiple baits. It all depends on the current, how much units they're letting out of the lake, because sometimes if they're like 4 units, we got strong current and some swim baits don't work. They'll flip upside down, they'll turn on their sides, they'll come up to the surface, and you just can't work those baits. Now, I got out, I threw the Baitsanity Tug today. We was low current. However, I did find an area where there was some current, and so I wanted to basically demonstrate and test out the Baitsanity Tug and see how it would do in slow current, fast moving current, or even just stilled water. And it did phenomenal. This swim bait is by far the most universal swim bait out there on the market right now. You are not going to find anything, I can guarantee you. You will not find anything on the market like this. Baitsanity really went above and beyond with what they created. Now, what makes it so unique, let me go ahead and pull it out of the box and I'll show you guys here. A lot of you have already known, a lot of you seen the Baitsanity Tug on social media, probably researched it. It is new, it just came out, and this system, I'll tell you what, it has been in the works for quite some time. So let's go ahead and give you a little view rundown. I've already did a video of this showing you the design. We have I think it's a carbon fiber tail, I can't recall. Integrated carbon fiber buoyant tail, so you can see there. But let's go ahead, we're not even gonna discuss, the body frame or nothing like that. We're gonna discuss what makes this so unique. But what's really cool about this is you can give it a twitch, real slow twitches, and you can work it like a topwater. And so you'll see that in some of the videos that I have here. Or you can go ahead and give it a hard twitch, it'll bring it down mid-surface, and you can work it like a swim bait. Now, what makes it really unique, you guys can see there, it's got a spring-loaded mechanism in the inside, and that is what's working this magic. I'm telling you right now, all you have to do is just take one of these out and you have that topwater and you have that mid-surface swim bait. So this thing is beyond crazy. I'm loving it. After getting back from fishing, I wanted to throw this video out there just because I'm mind blown. I am blown away by the versatile of this swim bait. So that pretty much sums it up. If you guys got any questions, go ahead and drop them down below in the comment section. I'm definitely going to get out there and be casting this thing out periodically a lot. I mean, I got to get out there. So I'm hearing they're going to be stocking trout tonight. I think what we'll probably do is get out there tomorrow when the stripers are already alerted that the fresh trout is now in the water system. We're gonna throw this out there, and I can guarantee if there's a striper in that area, he's gonna eat this. And as stated, you know, with the versatility I like that, with it being able to work the top and then being able to crank it down and get it mid-surface, I think that's really, really gonna entice a bite. So, love you guys. Thank you for watching. I'm up and out. Peace.